Hey, I'm Fish. This is the DJI Osmo Action. What we're going to be doing is updating our firmware, waiting for these things to connect. Join. We are basically joined. And if I don't see firmware, what I am going to do is going to the home, profile, and there is the firmware automatically updating. Didn't ask it for it to update, and we're updating automatically. 50%, it will start to do its transfer. On the back of the camera, you see the same exact thing happening. Meanwhile, while that's happening, you get a nice case. Inside the case, you have a small area for the transmitter, a large area for the receiver, and a large section over here for all your cables. You get the original TRS to TRS wired cable. You get the OTG Lightning and USB-C. And you get a original DJI transmitter receiver charger. We're getting near the completion, and we are only going to be using, you got it. This we could put away, not needed. I thought maybe for my needs that I could hook up the Bluetooth to the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, which I don't think it's Bluetooth capable, but it is a hot shoe. Firmware is successfully updated. The camera starts over. It searches for the device. We can close the application down. I noticed the bar quickly went across the screen. You may have seen it or not. And we're going to swipe down, go into the settings, and I'm going to be looking for wireless mic. We go over here to the OTG, and we scroll till we see wireless mic. Now we clicked on wireless mic. I don't see anything on the front. We simply turn on the microphone. It buzzes. Apologize when the screen still goes. So it's telling me some information. Press and hold the record button until indicated turns solid blue. So I'm going to press and hold the record button till the indicator turns solid blue. There it is. I let go. Press and hold the link button to indicate it blinks blue quickly. So this button here is blinking quickly. And now we are successfully connected. DJI mic is connected. DJI, please fix your dimming. Now we are connected. 1, 2, 1, 2, test 1, 2, 1, 2, test 1, 2. Look on the top, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now the question is, if we shut down the camera and we hit the record button, and we are immediately recording. So we're going to shut this down. We're going to shut down the microphone. It buzzes. We're going to turn on the microphone. And we're going to hit the record button. Test 1, test 2. Test 1, test 2. Ladies and gentlemen, you are missing out on the most fabulous system in the world. I hope this video has helped somebody out there. I'm out of here. Enjoy your DJI mic too. I'll put this in the end of the video as a sample so you can hear the sound. This is a test. 1, 2, 1, 2. A test. 1, 2, 1, 2. Later. Are missing out on the most fabulous system in the world. I hope this video has helped somebody out there. I'm out of here. Enjoy your DJI mic too. I'll put this in the end of the video as a sample so you can hear the sound. This is a test. 1, 2, 1, 2. A test. 1, 2, 1, 2. Later. Fix the damn dimming. Fix the damn dimming.